Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a yo-yo inside turn. Obviously knowing how to do a yo-yo already is really important, so link to that in the description below. Don't need to have done an inside turn before, though. If you've done a first move inside turn, you'll find this comes very naturally. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break that down. Starts off man's right, lady's right. Looks exactly like a yo-yo to begin with. So we go semicircling back, we come in and up to the left shoulder, side by side. So standard yo-yo up until here. We twist the lady out as per usual, but as we do that for the lady, the guys turn towards the lady and step across. So ideally you want to be doing that with the left foot, guys, and you want to be getting not in front of the lady but past the lady over to what would be our left at this point. And what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to extend to try and get a little bit long with that right arm, and as we take the right leg out of the way and turn a little bit more to the right, we're going to do a travelling return for the ladies and step back into face. So we'll do that again from the other side and think about numbers. We go semicircling back, 1, in side by side, 2, twist the ladies out and cut across to the far side, 3, travelling return, 4, and face, 5. So let's try it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, a yo-yo inside turn. We go a back, in, cut and across, over the top and stop. And that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And we really do appreciate everyone who likes and subscribes, because that helps us promote the channel and dancing generally. Any comments, do feel free to leave questions and comments in the section below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.